Hey guys, this is Deep here, and once again welcome back to my channel Technique, where I talk about lots of tech related techniques, procedure and uses of them. And in today's PC tutorial episode, we will learn about how to make a bootable pen drive of Windows 10 to install the Windows in any computer. And for doing this, we need a blank pen drive to be at least 8 GB and internet connection. And instead of pen drive, you can also use any type of memory card with card reader. So without wasting any time, let's start. First, put the blank pen drive in PC USB port and then go to the USB drive in this PC. Here is the USB drive, the pen drive. Now we have to simply format it. Although format is not necessary here, but I recommend you to do so because if any file left in the pen drive, it may corrupt the boot file. So I will format it. Now right click on the drive icon and select the format option. Now start format. Then OK. Okay, so now it's showing format complete. Press OK and also close this. Now go to your computer web browser, the browser you use in your PC, and then simply type Windows 10 download on search bar and search for it. Now here we can see many sites are given. Go to the official site of Microsoft only. Here it is. Now open it. Click on it. So since Windows 10 is already installed in my PC, that's why it's showing for update. But here you can see create Windows 10 installation media. You have to first download the media creation tool to make the bootable pen drive. So click on download tool now. Simply just download it. Start download. So download is complete. Now go to the folder where the file has been downloaded. Now run the media creation tool, just double click on it. It will take some time to process. Click accept. Now select the create installation media here. Just click on it and then next. So here the recommended language and the architecture, the system type of your PC is showing. You can also change this by uncheck this box. You can change it to any language you want to download. I will do it in English, so I am not changing this. And you can also change the system type 32-bit, 64-bit, or you can download both. Actually, it is the recommended option for my PC, so I will use the recommended option. So I will tick on this box. Now click next. Again click next. Now here removable drive, the blank USB pen drive has been selected as default. The drive you want to use to boot. Again click next. Now it is downloading in your USB drive and will take some time based on your PC internet speed. So I will skip here for some moment. It's almost done. Now it's verifying the download and creating Windows 10 media. You don't need to do anything here, simply wait for the finish button. So the process has been completed. Now click on finish. Now go to the USB drive again. Here a different icon is showing. That means now it's a bootable pen drive and can be used to install Windows 10 in your PC. And one thing is that if the icon is not showing, then simply restart your PC and then check it again. So that's all for the video. So guys, if you like this video and the video seems to be very useful to you, then like, comment and share this video to let know others. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.